In the holy land of India, a dance can be a prayer and a movement can be a battle cry. It carries the grit of the desert and the elegance of rainforest woven together into a tapestry of pure energy. This is the pulse of subcontinent. Yes, you guessed it right. Today, let us delve into the folk dances of India. Boys and girls, welcome to Statecraft. This is our video series on art and culture. In India, folk dances are celebrated on every possible occasion, may it be childbirth, harvest, festivals, or rituals. Unlike classical dances, folk dances do not require formal training or strict techniques. They are just passed down from generation to generation, emphasizing energy, vitality, and community spirit rather than rigid rules. There are different ways to classify folk dances of India. But here, let us classify folk dances based on their genres. The first one being martial dances, which emphasize physical strength, weapon, and historical combat. Next is harvest and agricultural dances, which are performed to celebrate changing seasons and successful harvests. Then we have ritual and devotional dances, which are tied to temple traditions, myths, or honoring specific deities. Then we have tribal dances, which are unique to specific ethnic communities, celebrating unity and forest life. Then at the last, we have social and storytelling dances, focusing on daily rural life, local legends, and social entertainment. Boys and girls, here you can see the elaborate list of folk dances of India. Do not mug up everything, it is not wise. So today in this video, we will cover only those dances which have made to the newspapers recently. Let us begin with Chow dance. Chow is traditional martial folk dance of eastern India. So it has three major variations. Purulia Chow, West Bengal, Seraikela Chow, Jharkhand, Mayurbhanj Chow of Odisha. It is important to note that Mayurbhanj Chow do not use masks, while other two does. So Chow depicts the stories of Ramayana, Mahabharata, local folklore and abstract themes, which are evolved from indigenous martial practices featuring mock combat, animal movements and powerful stances. They are performed to live folk music with a thunderous drum beats. It is closely associated with the festival of Chaitra Parva. In 2010, Chow was inscribed on UNESCO's representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Next, let us move ahead to Kolkali Parichakali, which is a traditional martial folk dance of Kerala performed mainly by men. It originated as a training exercise for warriors using short wooden sticks called kol to practice attack and defense. The dance is fast paced, highly rhythmic, and demands great physical strength and coordination. Performers move in circular formations, striking sticks in precise sequences. Kolkali reflects Kerala's ancient martial culture and is closely linked to the Kalaripayattu traditions. Let us move to North India for Bhangra. Bhangra is energetic folk dance of Punjab performed traditionally by men during the harvest celebrations. It features vigorous footwork, jumps, and powerful movements performed to lively music. The female counterpart of Bhangra is Gidha, which is known for its grace and expressiveness. It involves rhythmic clapping, singing boliyan, and storytelling through dance, reflecting emotions, love, and daily life. Now, let us travel to northeast for Bihu. Bihu is one of Assam's most important cultural festivals, celebrating seasonal changes closely linked to agriculture. It has three forms: Bohag Bihu, Kati Bihu, and Mag Bihu, each marking a different phase of farming cycle. Bohag Bihu celebrates Assamese New Year and sowing season, while Kati Bihu relates to crop growth and Mag Bihu marks the harvest. Mag Bihu coincides with the Makara Sankranti, an auspicious day in the Hindu lunar calendar. On this day, Sun god is worshipped as the sun begins its northward journey, which is termed as Uttarayan. Let us now again come down to South India for Suggi Kunita. Suggi Gunita is a vibrant harvest dance festival of rural Karnataka dedicated to the goddess of crops. Performed mainly by Halaki Vokaliga community, dancers wear colorful costumes and an elaborate headgear called Tura, made up of birds and peacock feathers. The dance begins slowly and gradually builds intensity, accompanied by drums like gumate, symbolizing gratitude to nature and a community unity. Deep down in South India, we celebrate Theyam. It is an ancient ritual dance of worship from Kerala and Karnataka, which is believed to be 1,000 years old. The performer here is believed to become a living embodiment of a deity or a heroic ancestor from whom devotees seek blessings. There are 400 plus types of Theyam associated with Shiva, Shakti, and local deities. Major forms of Theyam include Vishnumurti, Gudikan, and Kuttichatan. Now let us discuss the vibrant Garba. Garba is a traditional folk dance of Gujarat performed during the 9-day festival of Navratri, celebrating the victory of good over evil. The word Garba comes from the Sanskrit term Garb, which means womb, symbolizing life, fertility, and creation. The dance honors goddess Shakti and is performed in circular movements around a lamp or her image. Garba celebrates womanhood and important life events such as puberty and marriage. It is accompanied by rhythmic music, clapping, and singing. Modern Garba blends elements of Dandiya Ras, making it energetic, inclusive, and socially unifying. Now let us study about Kalbelia dance. Kalbelia is a famous folk dance of Rajasthan, which is also known as Sapera or snake charmer's dance. It is performed by the Kalbelia tribe, which is traditionally associated with snake charming. In this dance, women are the main performers. They wear bright colored skirts, blouses, and heavy traditional jewelry. They keep swirling and moving like serpents. Men accompany the dance by playing instruments such as dhol, pungi, and kanjari. In 2010, this dance was inscribed on UNESCO's representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Again, this dance was in news recently as a documentary about the Kalbelia dance was released by UNESCO. Now let us travel down to Maharashtra for Lavani. The word Lavani is derived from the word Lavanya, which means beauty. Here again, women are the main performers who are heavily dressed, wearing ghungroos, dancing gracefully for a dolak. Lavani has a long history and became especially popular during the Peshwa period of 18th century. Traditionally, it was performed for kings, nobles, and soldiers for entertainment. Lavani has several subgenres, out of which Shringarik Lavani is known for its sensuous lyrics, expressive gestures, and teasing movements. The highlight of today is Bagurumba. The Bagurumba dance is performed by the Bodo tribe of Assam. Why is it a highlight? Recently, in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Guwahati, 10,000 Bodo people performed Bagurumba dance, which created a Guinness World Record. This dance is called as butterfly dance due to its graceful and fluttering movements. Just like Kalbelia dance, even here women are the main performers wearing traditional attire like dhokna and aronai. Men accompany them with musical instruments. Bagurumba reflects the joy, cultural identity, and community spirit of Bodo people. Now, let us study another record making event. The Republic Day 2025 was magical as 5,000 plus dancers performed 50 plus dances for Jayati Jaya Mama Bharatam, making it largest Indian folk variety dance which was inscribed on Guinness World Record. Aspirants, this news becomes important for your Prelims 2026. So guys, let us wind up today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for Statecraft for more such videos. Thank you again.